Right, so in this question, with Gelosia method here, you've got a 3-digit by a 2-digit number, and that's why I've got a 3 by 2 grid. And then we fill in each box, just like we've done before. So we'll start here this time, okay? So we've got 1 above, we've got 2 to the right. So 1 times 2 is just 2, so 2 units, 0 tens. This box then, 4 above, 2 to the right, so 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 units, 0 tens. This box here then, I've got 2 to the right, 7 above. 7 times 2 is 14. So 4 units, 1 10. Let's go along the bottom row. So here, I've got 1 on the top, 8 on the right. 1 times 8 is 8. So that would be, of course, 8 units, 0 tens. This box here then, I've got 4 above, 8 to the right. So I've got 4 times 8 is 32, so 2 units, 3 tens, and then the final box then, I've got here then 7 above, 8 to the right, so 7 times 8 is 56, 6 units, 5 tens. So I'm going to add now along the diagonals, and remember we always start at the bottom. Now in the bottom diagonal here I've just got 1 entry, so that's easy, just going to write 6. Next diagonal I've got 3 entries. Got to be careful in terms of if I need to carry anything. 4 and 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Okay, so that adds up to 11. Now, I'm not going to write 11 here. I'm going to write 1, and I'm going to carry the 1 into the next diagonal. 1 and 8 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus the 1 then is 21. So 21 that adds up to, so I'm not going to write 21, I'm going to write 1, and I'm going to carry the 20, so I'm going to write the 2 here, okay, carry it into the next diagonal. This diagonal then, 0 and 2 and 0 is just 2, plus then that 2 is 4, okay, so we get 4 there, and of course this final, well I can write it if I want to, it just becomes 0, don't I? I get my answer then of 4116, 4116, right? Now I can check by estimating. In this case maybe 147, we can write as 150 because it's quite close to 150, that's a nice-ish number. 28, 30, 30 is close to. Now when I do this in my head then, I'm doing 15 times 3. 15 times 3 is 45, and then add the 2 zeros. Okay, so 15 times 3, 45, add the 2 zeros, 4,500. Now it's pretty close, isn't it? I know it's not identical, but remember we are estimating 147 gone to 150 and so on, so it's not going to be spot on, but you can see we're pretty much there, pretty much, we can feel confident that this answer is correct.